Hi there guys, I don't know if I filmed the intro. I started filming this video quite a while back. So today's video, I know I mentioned in my first studio vlog a few weeks ago, 3 weeks ago I believe, that I was gonna start like an eBay store. Things that are lying around the house, making some extra cash, especially during these times where cost of living has just gone up. Yeah, so this video is just me going through all those experiences of selling on eBay. To pop in that footage and come back a little bit later. I was sitting on a computer and literally I heard that ka-ching. Basically, I've sold, obviously I mentioned, I had a baby back in January this year. And I sold his baby bouncer. I only uploaded it was only a few days ago that I put it on eBay. And literally within 24 to 48 hours, I was getting watches. Less than 5 days, it sold. And it was something that I researched, and it's definitely something that's popular. It's in great condition, by the way. So this is the baby bouncer. I have only had this for 9 months. When I did my research, baby bouncers are actually something that is popular. This one's popular because it is expensive. It's almost £50. I've seen plenty of people on eBay, they're selling it, people are putting bids for it. And currently right now, the prices of living has gone up. People are more going into buying things that are used. Before dinner, I'm packing this. After dinner, I'm gonna be packing this. I'm so happy it's found a home. But yeah, let's pack. It's been 2 weeks since I spoke to you, but yeah, since I sold the baby bouncer on eBay, and this morning I woke up and yeah, I just looked on my phone and I've also sold the baby high chair. Again, I posted it on eBay last week, less than 5 days ago. So yeah, I've got to again get packing. I really like packing, you guys. I really do like packing. This looks behind my bed. I know my bed looks really nice right now, right? Yeah, and all nice and clean and pillows. No idea behind behind this, what's this, headboard? Yeah, headboard. There's boxes, flat boxes, flat. Yeah, there's some boxes behind there. So I feel I've just checked. I think I have 2 boxes there that I can actually use. Another thing I want to sell as well is this mirror. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely tonight I'm gonna put that on eBay. I've got to measure it. I think I might auction it. I think I'm gonna put it through auction. I'm gonna try at the auction because right now I've just been doing buy it now. My experience with eBay has been really good, when it comes to getting interest for the things that I've been selling. The majority of stuff I sold were kids stuff. Just the downside of it is just the charges, because you've got to calculate, how much is the delivery charge. If your delivery charge is ridiculous, because things have gone up, so delivery charges for things have gone up as well. So you're now just trying to figure out how much should I put delivery? Should I put free delivery? They're just trying to figure it out. On top of that, eBay, when they send you your payment for the item you sold, they cut their money, so you got to calculate that. And then when you got to calculate delivery, and if you calculate delivery, you're now ending up not making a lot of money from what you just sold. Especially when you're selling used things that have already been used. You can't price it high, even though if it's in fantastic condition, it's already been used. You can't price it high because everyone knows something that's used is a bit lower. And then I saw that these adverts for Vinted. I've heard of Vinted before. I have heard of them. They've been around for a few years now. I've literally had such a good experience with Vinted. But with Vinted, I've been selling clothes mostly. I've had success with clothes. I decluttered my wardrobe a few weeks ago, and I still have a bucket full of clothes that I'm slowly uploading onto Vinted. because like I don't want to upload a whole bunch of them because then I'm running around delivery. It pays to like pay like these £1, yeah, like £1. They're usually at £1, £1.99 or something like that, to like advertise your items, and you notice like you get more views, so it's worth paying these advertisements. Things that I did have that I did sell on Vinted, those things got interest very quickly. Like the other day, I was so amazed. I posted like this denim dungarees that I got from H&M. It doesn't fit me anymore, but I sold it on Vinted. I posted it on the same day I sold it, and then the next day I went and like took it to the parcel shop. I have to actually track it and see if it's been delivered yet, but like yeah, it was like this. Just I've just had really good success, so I'm gonna definitely spend money on advertisement. On the other thing as well, please don't sell things that you know that will break when you're, yeah, like mirrors. I sold my mirror. My mirror broke. It broke when it got delivered. They messaged me and said, oh, unfortunately the mirror it's broken. I quickly apologized and like refunded their money. Went back to the courier company, and then I was like, maybe I could like try and get like compensation for this. But yeah, I got compensated, but like I feel like I was really lucky. When it comes to like items that glass, you might not get compensated. So don't sell things. Don't send mirrors. Don't sell mirrors, don't send things that are glass. Don't. And I noticed companies that sell things that are glass, they have their own courier company. They have their own they've created their own courier to go and deliver those things, because they know like other couriers are not going to deliver items that are made from glass. So yeah, I'm having great success on Vinted. I've stopped selling on eBay. The last thing I sold on eBay was my daughter's scooter. Yeah, that took months for me to sell, but it got to a point where I was selling it for like free delivery. Yeah, I've had like success with eBay, but it's just I'm not a fan of their pricing. With Vinted, I like it. The money that you're selling your items for, you get that money. Seriously, if you're selling something for £5, you will get your £5. And when it comes to like shipping items, the person that's buying, they pay the shipping. So that's why I like Vinted in that way, because you're getting what you're asking for. So yeah, I am having really success with Vinted. Let me know if you find this video interesting. Seriously, if you've got clothes that you don't wear anymore, go and sell it on Vinted. They are really, really good.